Am I back? Am I back? Am I back? My internet went out and it is back. Thank the Lord. Can everybody see me? Can everybody hear me? Sorry about that, folks. Lost connection and I'm back. And we are still tracking this line of severe storms and tornado warnings here in southern Middle Tennessee as we have a tornado warning here in Wayne County. Not sure why I dropped off there, but the internet went out for just a few seconds. So if you can, reshare this link out. Terribly sorry about that. All right, am I back on both? I'm back on both. Okay, my ticker's coming up on YouTube. Okay. If you're just joining me, we're still tracking this tornado warned storm in Wayne County. The last words from the National Weather Service. Last couple radar scans showing weakening rotation in the southern Wayne County. The tornado warning, they will continue it though. Make sure you share this stream back out, as I had to reset the stream with we had just a very, very brief internet outage. Only, this looks to be south of Only. But this storm system is tracking northeast at, I believe it's still, it's slowed down to about 40 miles per hour now. Yeah, we do have multiple tornado warnings here in northern Mississippi. But as this boundary pushes southeast, it should keep at least this area to our south. But we're going to watch it closely. Mount Pleasant, it's tracking your way. But they did say that the rotation was weakening a bit. Linden is okay. This is south of Linden. No, this is not tracking towards Only. This is south of Only. So if you can, please share this out on your Facebook if you have not already. Yeah, I lost internet connection. I'm sorry about that. So Collinwood, Waynesboro, you still have a tornado warning. You need to be in a shelter. Summertown, you're okay at the moment. They did mention that this was the rotation was weakening. But more than likely, they will issue a severe thunderstorm warning if they do not issue a tornado warning. Lewisburg is still a ways away from Lewisburg. The YouTube live keeps freezing. I had to start a new stream, so you may have to go to the new link. Not sure why it would be freezing. My speeds are okay at the moment. Checking the chat. Nothing new. Still showing signs of weakened rotation at the moment. Santa Fe, Prim Springs, this is still heading that direction. Lewis is okay at the moment. This storm will be tracking towards Lewis County, though. Right now, I'm in between velocity scans, so it's kind of hard to really tell. As it looks more broad now. It's not tight. So there may not be one on the ground at the moment, but right now there is a tornado warning in Waynesboro. So if you're in Waynesboro, Collinwood, Fairview, anywhere in this red polygon, you need to be in a safe place. Spring Hill, you still like a little ways. This may track to your south. Yeah, right now the worst storm right now in my viewing area is this one right here in Waynesboro, Wayne County. Williamsport, it looks to be tracking that direction. It's just moving extremely slow at the moment, so it may take it a while. It's tracking towards Lewis County. So if you're in Lewis County, Lawrence County, northern Lawrence County, close to Summertown, be alert. So Hurricane Mills is right here, okay? These storms are tracking this direction. This is not going towards Hurricane Mills. Hurricane Mills should be fine for the rest of the night. Now you have a tornado warning storm here in Wayne County, southern Wayne County, pushing northeast at 40 miles per hour. Lyles, you're okay at the moment. Lexington, you're okay. Perry County, I would say so, but I would wait another couple of hours before I actually gave the all clear. They did release us from the tornado watch area, as these storms look to be, wrong button, along this line, slowly pushing off to the southeast. So the heavier storms will be along this line. It just needs to pick its pace up. Centerville, you're okay at the moment. Clifton, you're okay at the moment. This is to your south. Loretto, right now the storms are to your north, but you will be getting some storms later. Right now you're okay. But keep watching, because this may shift east any moment. Thank you. I am live on YouTube. You just have to probably refresh and go back to my page. Yeah, I'm live. It's working. Yeah, upper brush is good right now. Briley. Hopefully it weakens. They said the last scans it was showing signs of weakened rotation, but these things cycle all the time. Loving every minute of it, Paul. How you doing, buddy? Town in Hohenwald. Hohenwald is it? Oh, the town of Hohenwald, or the town in Hohenwald? So right now it's tracking towards Lewis County. We're here at Ashland, Napier, Henryville, Summertown. Right now it is right now is there's a line between Waynesboro and Collinwood, probably producing about 65 mile per hour winds or more. But since the rotation has weakened, so they say, yeah, it looks more like straight line winds at the moment. Summertown is okay right now, but it's tracking your direction. Decaturville is okay. Hohenwald is getting rowdy. Yep. Hopefully the major part stays south of Hohenwald. I've learned some new towns. Kimmins is okay right now. This is south of Kimmins, pushing northeast, east northeast. Yeah, Clifton. The main storms, the main threat for you is to your south. We do have some more storms here to the south, pushing northeast. But these should drift eastward. Centerville, this possibly goes south of you. Duck River, Tennessee. I heard that yesterday. I have no idea where Duck River, Tennessee is.
Information. This tornado warning has been updated.
But if you're north, you're fine. This thing is slowed down to 35 miles per hour. Located near Collinwood or 8 miles southeast of Waynesboro, moving east. So now it's moving east. Not northeast, east at 35 miles per hour. So the woman in Loretto, get ready. This has shifted from more of a northern drift to a east at these last few runs. Clifton's okay. But we're having these waves and pulses of severe storms push northeast along this frontal boundary right here. And the quicker this thing can push out of here, the better we are. But it is just so stagnant and has not moved. It's got to get on out of here. Wayne, Collinwood, you are under the gun right now. Hail, high winds. You're under a tornado warning, but they did say the rotation has weakened. So I'm not suspecting anything on the ground at the moment, but still be in a safe place. Leatherwood, this is to your south. It's loud where you're at right now, but it's to your south. If you're just joining us, please share this on your Facebook. I'm getting about 300 messages right now, so I can't answer everybody. I'm sorry. I'm too focused right now. Parsons is okay. This is south of Decatur County. Wouldn't be surprised if right here in Waterloo tried to start hooking a little bit. Have to watch this very closely also, but right now it is a severe thunderstorm warning. Wayne, Alabama line. This is, Cypress Inn. There it is. I learned something new. This right now it's to your north, but you're going to get a severe thunderstorm to your west push through. Right now the tornado warning storm is to your north. Let's see here at 9:08. It's 9:08. I just got word. New tornado warning coming for Wayne and Lawrence counties. They're saying hopefully this is the last one. So right now they're going to extend this tornado warning for the rest of Wayne and to the eastern here and to Lawrence County. And as you see it pop up right there. This is radar indicated. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Collinwood or 9 miles southeast of Waynesboro, moving east at 35 miles per hour. So if you are in this red area, red polygon, you need to be in a safe place. Lewis County, even though you're not in this, I would still be close to a safe place. As we did see this shift from north to east, this could easily go north again. Yes. It's for 10:15. Lewis is okay, but if you're in Lewis County, I would be in a safe place still, or close to it. This storm could easily lift north. Clifton, you're okay. No. Get out of your safe place in Clifton. You're okay at the moment. Get out and take a breath. But continue to watch. Hickman County, Bon Aqua, this is going to your south. You do have storms coming through your area, though. You're welcome. Anything for North Murray County? No, but these storms are pushing that direction. Santa Fe, these storms are pushing in your direction. Can I repeat Lawrence County? Yes, I can. This tornado warning is until 10:15 p.m. At 9:07, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Collinwood, or 9 miles southeast of Waynesboro, moving east at 35 miles per hour. So if you're in this red polygon, you're in the path of it. The rotation, the rotation right now would be in Wayne County still, but it's pushing east. Regardless of where it's at, if you live in this red area, you need to be in a safe place until it passes. Thank you very much. Williamsport, hopefully this passes to your south. Right now it is passing to your south. But you're going to get loud storms as the northern edge of this hits you. But the worst part of it right now is to your south. Lewisburg, you're okay at the moment. There are storms pushing up from the south, but right now you're okay. You need to know about Homewall. Homewall is okay at the moment, but I would be close to a safe place. Even though you're not under a tornado warning, this storm has been known to shift north. So if you're in Lewis County, be close to a safe place. Summertown, you need to be in a safe place. Yes. It is tracking towards Mount Pleasant. Yes. Yeah, right now, Collinwood is still under the gun. Yes, sirens are going off. There's a tornado warning in Lawrence County. If you're in Lewis County just tuning in, you need to be close to a safe place, even though this tornado warning is to your south. They've already sent out a warning over your phones for Lewis County. Okay. Because right here, all I see is Wayne and Lawrence is on the agenda for the tornado warning. I was just making sure. I have not heard this. I did hear it was, they confirmed they saw it in Hardin County, southern Hardin County, but I have not heard of anything else. Right now, it is just radar indicated. But it's hard to observe one at night because not many people are chasing in this area. Hopefully so, Jalen. Hopefully so. The way that they canceled the tornado watches for our counties up north, I hope this is it. So Lewis County, I know you have nothing. You have no tornado warnings for you. This could easily shift north, okay? Yeah, Wayne County, Lawrence County, even though there's no tornado warning for Lewis, I would still be prepared to take shelter. Where is it radar indicated? Well, since I'm in between radars on the velocity, it's very, very, very hard to tell because it's so far away. It's hard to tell right now because it's so far away from all the radars. But anyway, regardless of where it's at, you need to be in a safe place if you're in this path and in Lewis County. Etheridge is in this, yes. Henryville, Barnesville, Briar Hill, Hudson Deerfield, Park Grove. Find your house or find where you're at. If you are in this red area or Lewis County, I'm including Lewis County just to be safe. Okay. No new messages, so that's good. Lewis County got a warning. I don't know if they did or not. I don't see it. But if I was in Lewis County, I'd be close to a safe place for sure. Right now, this is just radar indicated. Where are you at, Crystal? I don't know your location. It's on the ticker for Channel 4. I'm not watching Channel 4. All I see is Hardin County and or Wayne County and Lawrence County. Linden is okay right now. Right now, if you're in Perry County, all these storms are to your south and southeast. Moving east-southeast, or moving east-northeast, I'm sorry, at 40 miles per hour. So, I'm seeing a bunch of mixed messages of a tornado warning for Lewis, and some say no. Regardless, if there is or not, I would still be in a safe, or as close to a safe area if I'm living in Lewis County. We're 5th Street in Lawrenceburg. I don't know where 5th Street in Lawrenceburg is, but I'm pretty sure it's in this red area since this takes up 90% of the county, so I would be in a safe place. 15, 17. Nothing new. If you can, please share this out to your Facebook page, get people on here and so they can get alerted. Linden is okay. Mount Pleasant, it's coming in that direction. Waterloo incoming. Waterloo incoming. Let's check Waterloo right quick. There is still a lot of storms down here. Yeah, Waterloo, you're about to get some storms. Hopefully this front can pass on by. Okay. Checking the chat. Everything's good. Still got a tornado warning here. Waynesboro, Lawrence County until 10:15. Let's see here. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Collinwood or 9 miles southeast of Waynesboro, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Lewis, if you're in Lewis County, I'd be close to a safe place. Right now, there is no tornado spotted right now, but this is all radar indicated, so If you're in the red area or Lewis County, you need to be in your safe area. Only is loud. Yes, only is loud. But right now it's non-severe up and only. The worst of this looks to be pushing south of Centerville. Bath Springs, you are good for the moment. Hopefully the rest of this energy keeps pushing east. I would say so. Yes, Jalen, I would say so. Leave your phone off of vibrate. Make sure it's not on vibrate or silent, just to make sure. Decaturville's good. Dixon, this is to your south. So areas right now, areas Perry County, Hickman County, up in here has been cleared for the tornado watch. Lewis County, to my knowledge, is not under a tornado warning. I don't see it on the National Weather Service page at all. This is to your south, but I would still be prepared to take cover just in case it does shift north, as it is close to the county line. Savannah is okay right now. Hoping this energy to your south keeps pushing east and out of your direction. This will most likely go through Waterloo and possibly clip Florence, if it can keep shifting east. Flatwoods is okay. Lewis County should be good after this, but I would like to wait until this right here passed to the east of us before I really got happy about it. But regardless, there's a ton of rain coming, y'all. Ton of rain. This is going to be a major flash flooding event. I know we're worried about tornadoes and severe thunderstorms right now, but there's going to be a lot of water falling tonight. Shady Grove area. Everything is so colorful. Yes, this will be moving towards the Shady Grove area. No, I'm sorry. Take that back. Rewind it. I'm sorry about that. Shady Grove, you're north of this. I was thinking it was right here. I'm so sorry about that. Edit. Shady Grove should be fine from this storm. Mount Pleasant, yes. I saw Mount Pleasant a while ago. You are in the path of all of this. This is a pretty hefty storm coming through. Sorry to hear about that, Stacy. Hope you can get it fixed. Next week looks good for repairs. Hopefully you can get that repaired. You see that the active warnings 10 and the active watches 4, that is for all of Tennessee. So that's pulling from all of the watches and all of the warnings for Memphis, Nashville, and East Tennessee National Weather Service. And it just scrolls here at the bottom. I'm trying to work on that to figure out how to cover just my area. So this is all new to me. Darden, you're okay. Waynesboro, this is pushed out of your area. You're still getting some storms right now, but the rotating storm right now is pushing in northern Lawrence County. Looks like it will possibly clip the southern part of Lewis County. Still hard to see as this is just cluttered. Winds in every direction. It's hard to see. Very, very hard to see. Looks like maybe right there. Coming into Lawrence County. Pushing northeast. There's just so much going on in the atmosphere between radars, it's hard to tell. Lobelville is okay. Lobelville will probably just get rain for the rest of the night. But I'm gonna continue to watch it. I don't believe anything's coming towards Waynesboro. I still have to watch this down here down to the south. This is drifting east, but the energy is pushing north as this boundary is shifting southeast. Hohenwald, right now the worst of it looks to be to your south, coming into the northwestern part of Lawrence County. Just heard that they're going to keep this warning going for a bit. Rotation is still evident despite the storm is still slowly weakening, but the rotation is still there. Collinwood, you still have a very strong, slow-moving storm over you. So you're getting hit here, you're getting hit here, and you're about to get hit again. And this is only 20 minutes of movement. I think Flatwood should be good for the night. You're welcome. Lyles, Hickman County, okay? Yes. Right now, everything is to the south, pushing east. We should be good. Yeah, that would be that I wish it would pull up. As this velocity right here is a bit outdated. Yeah, southern Lewis County, Napier, you're not under the warning, but I would get in a safe place. So right now, this would be my area of concern if there was any kind of going on. This is not warned at the moment, but if you're south of this line, if you're located right here in Lewis County, I'd be in a safe place. Perry County, yes, go to bed, but I would leave my phone off of vibrate or silent just to make sure. Because usually when we get tornadoes, we do have alerts on our phones that go off. Watch that, Corinth. Right now, Corinth should be good. Storms are pushing east and south of Corinth. Looks like the boundary has passed Corinth, and Corinth should be okay. Perryville, you're good. Henryville, see, I've learned some things. You're about to get hit by the storm. That is what they're worried about. So, main area of concern here, to me, would be right through here, right through there. This is where the brunt of this energy is right now. Perry County, you're okay at the moment. Should be okay for the rest of the night. Did that say Napier area? South of Hohenwald? I'd be worried about this area. They don't have the southern part of Lewis County in it, but I would be in your safe place right now. Napier Farm, Meadowford, Oak Grove, Voorhees. I guess this is just farmland over here. Tracking towards Summertown. Okay. Hickman, you're okay. Right now it's loud, but you're okay at the moment. Selmer, you're okay at the moment. All right, here we go. If you are on this side of this line, you are okay for now and should be okay for the rest of the night, because this boundary is pushing off to the southeast and the storms are riding along that boundary. Did everybody see that? All right. Hohenwald, right now you're okay. It's just the area south I'm more concerned of. Napier Farm, Henryville. This is where most of the energy is concentrated. Farm just means the hippie farm. Hydrate. Thank you. I need reminders every now and then. Thank you, Nancy. Yeah, there's still some strong storms to the north of here, so we could see some more power outages as these storms contain pretty good winds. Thank you. Appreciate it. Miss Joy Himes, how are you doing? It's been a long time. Yeah, tons of rain right now, but I am seeing some hail. Hopefully I can see some circulation, tight circulation. I'm not at the moment. Lots and lots of clutter between the radar and this area, so it's hard to dissect that velocity wise. So I can't really tell where the rotation is at exactly, but I know according to the height of this is packing some wind, as this looks like it's bowing out a bit heading towards Summertown, Napier. Napier, get ready for some pretty good winds and hail also. Thank you for your support. Right now I'm just covering the southern part of my viewing area. Keeping a track on that. In the southwest, it's just slowly dancing to the east. That looks pretty interesting. Let's see if this will work. Nope, too much clutter. Anyway, if you're in the red polygon, you need to be preferably north of Loretto. You're okay right now. Fairview, Loretto. If you're Lawrenceburg north, you need to be in a safe place. If you are Voorhees, Meadow Ford Farm, and south, you need to be in a safe place. Warning in Mount Pleasant. I have not seen a mention about that, but I wouldn't be surprised here shortly. 9 miles east of Waynesboro, correct. Do we have another one coming towards Waynesboro? Not at the moment. We do have this energy to the south, but right now it's pushing off to the east, northeast. So this right here, you probably get more storms off of this flare up right here, but as long as this boundary keeps moving, it should keep the severe storms away from you. But I'll be here to watch it all night. Perry County is okay. Hohenwald. City of Hohenwald is okay right now.
A new flash flood
Flash
warning
flood.
has been issued.
Yeah, there's going to be a lot of flooding going on, so if you have any items near creeks, streams, rivers, you better move them. Or already have them moved. Continues tornado warning in Lawrence, Tennessee. Wayne County, they have canceled the one for you. It is just now in Lawrence, Tennessee. Lawrence County. I'm reading that as Lawrence, Tennessee. Clifton is okay right now, yes. I do sleep occasionally. Centerville, you are okay. You're still going to get some pretty good storms, but right now it's just heavy rain, lightning, and wind.
New information. This tornado warning has been updated.
Collinwood, right now, I wouldn't say you're completely clear at the moment. You're clear from the tornado warning right now, but there's more to your southwest. As this boundary is slowly pushing off to the southeast, we have these storms lined up along this boundary. So the quicker this boundary can shift, we'll be okay. But right now it's slowly moving, so you may actually catch the northern part of this energy as it shifts east. Thank you, Jordan. Loboville is okay right now. I know. Go Duke, Leah. Go Duke. I've got them winning. Hope they win it all. I may lose some followers over that, but I'm sorry. That's just what my bracket says. Any more for Clifton? Clifton could see a few more storms. The severity is low right now, as most of these storms are pushing off to the east. You will see storms, though. Right here, they have extended. They did include, like I was saying 20 minutes ago, but this is a severe thunderstorm warning. They did not issue the tornado warning for southern Lewis, but they did issue a severe thunderstorm warning going towards Mount Pleasant, Olivet, Weekly, Screamer, Hopewell, Bigbyville, Culleoka, Columbia. This is a severe thunderstorm warning moving east at 55 miles per hour, so it is picking up some steam. 60 mile per hour wind gusts, 3/4 inch hail. Rockhouse, yes, looks okay right now. Most of the the severe energy is to the south right now. I don't see this pushing up north at the moment, as long as this boundary keeps moving. Update my radar. What do you mean by update my radar? Kimmins is good at the moment, yes. No problem. Update for Perry County, lots of rain and flooding. Centerville is good at the moment, just heavy rain and flooding. Loretto, right now these storms are to your north, but you're not out of the woods yet. This boundary is still to your west, so storms are firing along this boundary. So stay tuned. South Lewis County is getting a severe thunderstorm warning right now. 60 mile per hour winds and 3/4 inch hail. Bon Aqua is okay at the moment, yes. I say you're far enough north. I don't expect anything severe up there. But leave your phone off of vibrate and silent. Better safe than sorry. Hohenwald is okay right now. The storm is to your south, pushing off to the east. Right now, my main concern for all, pretty much the whole area is flooding. This will actually probably shift more off to the east and possibly go more towards Lawrence County and into Pulaski. But right now, you're good. Was that Savannah that said that? I'm sorry, I've done a lot. Hardin County, Savannah, yes. This severe storm, tornado warning to your south, is pushing off to the more east than north. Waynesboro is okay right now, yes. Right now, the National Weather Service, instead of pushing this north, this has actually started shifting east now, so that's a good sign. Is moving east at 55 miles per hour. They are going to cancel this tornado warning, as this is a severe thunderstorm warning pushing east now. So hopefully we're getting some more movement here out of this line to push east and push that boundary to our south and get these storms out of here. But Summertown, Mount Pleasant Farm, you're under the gun right now. High winds, heavy rain, hail. Okay, no reports coming from Lawrence County, so no reports of damage in Wayne County at this time, just heavy rainfall. So right now this is mostly a high wind, heavy rain event. But they're going to let this tornado warning roll out. Yes. And wait a minute. You're in Lewis County. What part of Lewis County? Right now, this is just severe thunderstorm warned at the moment. I would say yes. If you're in Lewis County, you're okay. Appreciate it. Just heavy winds right now in Henryville. Localized, so got some hail falling here. 3/4 inch hail. My goodness, folks.
New information. This flash flood warning has been updated.
I'm going to have to delete my old live because people are on my old live. That's not good. Sorry, folks. People was joining my old live before I got disconnected, so I had to delete that. 70 more followers and I'll have 25,000. That's amazing. That's crazy. You're welcome. It's been an interesting 3 days so far. Yeah, flash flood warning anywhere in this area is going to get major flooding right here. And more, rain all night. I mean, good grief. Look at all this rain. I know we needed it, but going to be a lot of mowing next week, that's for sure. Summertown, storm is rolling into your area. You're welcome. Appreciate it. Oh, Villa. I don't know where that's at. Thank you so much, Trump, for went back to programming earlier. Rotation, come on, Wayne County. Yeah, I'll always be with you unless my power goes out. If I lose internet, I'll try to use my data, but I'll be here until all this passes. That's why I cover Perry and surrounding. Pretty much the counties that touch Perry County, I stay with you. Lobelville is good, yes. Culleoka, you're in the gun for a severe thunderstorm warning, 60-mile-per-hour winds, and 3/4 inch hail. Chance, are you in the chat by any chance? Chance Helton from Summertown. It has a lot of rain. Good thing we live up on a hill, Landon. Bath Springs is okay. Well, he'll have to mow it next week, Gay, because it's going to grow like crazy. Lewis County, storms pushing through farm right now. Heaviest winds is in farm. Hail, high winds, heavy rain, flash flooding. Appreciate it. Yeah, I don't need no big fancy studio. I just have a corner in my basement. I can do this in a 50 square foot area for everybody. Olive Hill. No idea where Olive Hill is. Coming up from Mississippi. I don't know where Olive Hill's at. I'm sorry. I know Lawrenceburg. You right now you're under a tornado warning still, but they said the rotation was weakening. Let's see, 9:45 is the last message. The tornado warning storm has fallen off, but they're going to let the current warning continue until its expiration. So right now, they're not anticipating any kind of rotation, but they're going to allow it to run, as this is pretty much just straight line winds. Columbia, just a severe thunderstorm warning heading towards you. Looks like, is that the right? Yeah. Looks like most of this energy has lifted more towards Mount Pleasant. Thank you for the nice words. And this is coming actually towards, more towards Columbia. Thank you. .64 east of Savannah. What was that again? Olive Hill. I see Olivet. There's Olive Hill right there. I'm sorry. Yeah, most of this energy is going to be to your southeast. Right now, you should be okay. I'm not seeing anything developing severe-wise, but most of this heavy storm returns is pushing off to the east, southeast along this boundary. And we're not anticipating this boundary to come back up. This is what's happened over the past few days. This frontal boundary has pushed down, it's came back up, it's pushed back down, it's came back up, and now it's pushing back out of here. Thank you, Trina. I appreciate all the shares and followers and subscribers and all that stuff. Summertown, it is over you right now. There is a tornado warning for your area, but they said that the rotation has subsided. But to be safe, they're going to let this run its course for the next 27 minutes. So, me being who I am, if you're in the red polygon, you need to be in a safe place. You're welcome. Hickman County, right now you are good. All the energy is to your south, pushing off to the east. So Dixon, Humphreys, Benton, Decatur, Perry, Hickman, I would say is good. I believe this is the last round of this. As long as this frontal boundary can keep pushing east, we'll be okay. And that's what it's supposed to do tonight. Lawrenceburg is not in the clear yet, no. The boundary has not passed Lawrenceburg completely yet. Giles, no, you're not. You're not in the clear just yet. Yeah. You're welcome. Probably a few more rain and storms in Waynesboro as the severe thunderstorm to your south. They're letting that tornado warning expire. So I would say yes, you will be okay. Leave your phone off of vibrate. Thank you, Yvette. Thank you, Ronnie. I miss you, Ronnie. The best preacher, Ronnie Brewer, ladies and gentlemen. That's the best preacher I've ever known. Thank you from Hickman County. I appreciate it. Yeah, right now it is the worst of it is pushing through Lawrenceburg in the Lawrence County area. Centerville is looking good right now. Thank you very much. I appreciate every one of y'all tuning in. Gotta have patience to do this, that's for sure. Yeah, the Tornado Alley has moved to Tennessee pretty much. Centerville, yeah, you're looking good for the night. But knowing me, I'll probably stay up to about 1 o'clock just to make sure everything's out of here. But right now, it's trending a good way. Lewis County, the severe storm should be pushed out of your area now. So Lewis County, frontal boundary is still shifting, so that's good. Looks like Northern National Weather Service out of northern Alabama here
A new flash flood warning has been issued.
has issued a tornado warning here. Going to go through Florence. Looks like it's going to push more east and north, so this will scoot on around to our south. Hopefully, should stay south. Thank you for the follows. I appreciate all of y'all. Clarksville, you're good. Yeah, you're good for the night. Clarksville's it's already good. Oh, it's okay. I'd like to see the next few scans for Hohenwald. As long as I can see this line right here push to over here, I think we'll be okay for Lewis County. Just got to get this frontal boundary out of here. West Point. I don't know where West Point is. Thank you. Appreciate that, brother. Yeah. Hopefully no more tornadoes. Lyles, you're okay. Yes, Lewis County, you can come out of a safe place. Sorry. I'm sorry about all that. Lewis County, yeah, you can. Where is West Point? I've seen West Point on here. Somebody tell me which big city it's close to and which direction. Lewisburg, you can still have a little ways. Lewisburg, you're not out of the danger yet. Lyles is good. Savannah, you're good right now. Coming home from Savannah, Yeah, you're going to go through a lot of rain and wind, Pam, but you'll be okay. Giles County, no, you're not good for the night just yet. You still have storms to your east and to your west and southwest. National Weather Service is not going to let this expire, so it's going to still show up as a tornado warning. But they have extended it to a severe thunderstorm warning, 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts, and 3/4-inch hail. This will push into Giles County, northern Giles County. And the rest of Giles County, you have all this energy right here fixing to push your way. So it could get interesting for Giles County here in a few minutes. West Point is in Lawrence County. West Point. Right there is West Point. It's on 242. Right now, the severe storm has passed you, but you're going to get a few more rounds of storms before this is over with. And it looks like the heavy energy to your south that has that tornado warning should go to your south. Shady Grove, I would say so. Savannah, yes, you should be okay. Need to check these tornado watch boxes for. Yeah, that they should start to cancel these out pretty soon. All right. Clifton, yes, I would say you're okay. This frontal boundary should keep shifting off to the southeast. Collinwood, you're going to have another round of storms push through your area. Appreciate it, Dawn.
New information. This flash flood warning has been updated.
But I'm not going to leave this until most of it pushes out of our area. Thank you. Columbia, you got a loud storm heading your direction. Packing 60-mile-per-hour gusts, 3/4-inch hail. Coming through Mount Pleasant right now. Yeah, I believe it, Landy. We're gonna get a lot more too. Dixon, yeah, you're good. Dixon's good. Summertown come out of shelter yet. The heaviest storm has passed. You're still going to get storms though, but the heaviest part of it has passed you for now. Thank you, Kevin. Appreciate that. Yeah, if you're out driving, your main concern is going to be hydroplaning and crossing, flooding. So the flash flooding is very high right now, all over the states here, all over the counties. Lewisburg, you're still in the path here. You're not out of the woods. Waynesboro, I do feel pretty good about you right now. I would like to wait for this frontal boundary to shift a little more to the southeast. Lewis, good right now. Yes, Randall. All the heavier returns should stay to your south. The heaviest energy should stay to your south. Lewisburg is looking like a severe thunderstorm is coming your way.
New information. This flash flood warning has been updated.
But with the history of this could start spinning. So that's why we're watching it. Got to watch this closely. Right now, I'm seeing looks like the heaviest of the rest of this energy should stay on this side of the blue line. It's just creeping off to the southeast. It needs to hurry up. Okay, back to Loretto. You're still under the gun. You still have more coming your way. Hey, it's okay to be anxious. It's all right to be anxious. You be nice, Randall. Sorry, I'm checking chat. Nothing new. Okay. Hydrate. Hey. Thank you. Appreciate that. I guess I need to go ahead and start talking about these storms right here, okay? Severe thunderstorm warning is over Lawrenceburg now. 60, 65 mile per hour winds. Possibly up to 1-inch hail by now, by the way that looks. Pushing off to the east at 45 miles per hour. Wayne County, Waynesboro, Collinwood, you're going to get some more storms.
This tornado warning has been updated.
They have cut off the far western side of this and have left it here in northeast Lawrence County. Hohenwald, I would give it a few more minutes. I would say yes, but I would like for this boundary to keep pushing, because if it stalls, anything can happen. I'd like for it to get closer to Pulaski before I made any more decisions, because we have seen surprises. Yeah, the sirens are going off again because they just canceled the one to the south, or not south, to the west, and they're going to keep the one to the east. This is still radar indicated. So if you're in this red polygon, there it is again. Hope y'all don't have nightmares about that. You need to be in a safe place. Preferably in this area. This is where the main energy is focused at the moment.
New information. This severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
Still 60 mile per hour winds, 3/4 inch hail. Lewis County, yes, you can come out of your shelter now. Is there any chance anything comes north of Linden? Right now, it's just heavy rain. Most of these storms are focused to the southeast. Lots and lots of rain coming, folks. Lots of flooding. Lots of flooding. Collinwood in the clear. You still have some storms to your southwest. I would not say you're in the clear just yet. You do have a tornado warning storm to your south, but right now you're about 85% clear. 15%, you could possibly see another severe warning storm. The rain will last all night into the morning, so creeks are already out of the banks into your yard. Yeah, it's just going to get worse, Leah. It's just going to get worse. This is going to be a pretty good flooding event for most of us. Whole lot of rain coming still. And it's not moving fast at all. Here's your little loop. Lots of rain, lots of rain. So, there you have it. Severe thunderstorm warning has been canceled for Lewis, so they did take off that corner of Lewis. So yeah, that was the newest one that just exited, the latest alert. Lawrenceburg here, if you're in eastern Lawrence County, you still need to be in your safe place. This red polygon. Flatwoods is okay. Savannah, yes, you should be good for the rest of the night. I wanted to change over there to Memphis's chat. They may actually let that run. They still do have parts of like Savannah, Henderson, Bolivar area in the tornado watch still, but I think that'll be soon canceled. So I'll keep my eye on both of these chats. Okay. All right, Kulioka, you are under the gun. You have some pretty good storm system heading to you right now. 60 to 65 mile per hour winds and up to 3/4 inch hail, possibly an inch. Waynesboro, not just yet. I'd give it a few more minutes. Lewis County, you're looking better and better with each run. But I'm watching this boundary here, hoping it keeps shifting to the southeast. I give it a few more minutes there, Waynesboro. Lewis County, you're looking better and better. Perry County, you're good. Hickman County, you're good. Dixon, Humphreys, Benton, Decatur. So if we can get this boundary to push out of here. Pulaski, you still it's still coming your way. Severe thunderstorm warning here. 60 mile per hour wind gusts. 3/4 inch hail. Thunderstorm was located 8 miles south of Columbia, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Unionville. Back. Am I back? Can everybody hear me and see me? Am I back? All right, I'm going to have to reload the chat because I cannot see the chat. Okay, I'm back. Internet is just finicky right now. With all these storms, that fiber's probably shaking like crazy. But yeah, Pulaski, you're still in the gun. Sorry about it. I'm sorry, folks. I can't help that. Homewald, you're looking good. You're looking good. Waynesboro, you're okay right now. You are getting some storms, but they're non-severe at the moment. Hopefully this will be the last push of storms for our area. Hopefully this whole energy right here will just push on out and we'll be good. Thank you. Loboville is good. Most of this energy in Mississippi looks to... I'm trying to find it. All this should push out to the southeast. All right. They're keeping the southern counties here still in the tornado watch, as this line is not moving out as fast as it should. Yep. Perry County, you should be good. Decatur County should be good. Hickman County should be good. Still just watching this very closely, y'all. Lewis County, you look to be okay right now, but I'm not going to completely just throw in the towel yet for y'all. You're welcome. Oh yeah, Mississippi has multiple storms here, but most of this energy it should push to our south. Lewisburg. I'm sorry. This is kind of out of my range here. But yes, you do have some storms coming to you right now. This is a severe thunderstorm warning. 60 mile per hour gust, 3/4 inch hail. Thank you, folks. I appreciate it. Northern Giles. Let's see here. Yeah, so they went ahead and expired that one in Lawrence County. Severe will continue for now for most intense part of this storm in Northern Giles County. So right here, we have a storm system pushing through Northern Giles County. Whenever you start to see on the radar these little inflow notches, that could become tornado warning, but it is not right now. This is just a severe thunderstorm warning. This is just me talking, okay? That would be right here if there was anything. This is in Northern Giles County. Right here. This will be the main impact of winds heading towards Waco. This is in Northern Giles County. Lewis is okay. Centerville is okay. Henderson, yes. Columbia, not yet. Still watching these waves of storms push east. Horn Lake, Mississippi. way out of my range. I would say if you're in Mississippi, if you're watching, and you are, oh my goodness. I failed art class, y'all. Bear with me. If you are here in Mississippi, you're okay. Don't know where Horn Lake is. Oh yeah, you got another storm coming in through Collinwood here. Most of this energy is going to push through Lawrence County again, and parts of Lewis County possibly. But right now it is not severe warned. This is why I haven't released Lewis County yet. Thank you, Miss Judy. Culleoka, yes, it's coming through there right now. High winds, pockets of hail, heavy rain. Main threat out of these will be flash flooding and flooding. But this is what we're looking at right now. We don't have any tornado warnings for Tennessee at the moment. Culleoka, nothing's changed. It's just now, it's still a severe thunderstorm warning. Pushing east. Let's see if it's changed speed here. That's a tornado watch. I didn't mean to click on that. Severe thunderstorm warning is pushing east at 55 miles per hour. 60 mile per hour gusts. Oh, yeah, you're good. You're good over here. Okay. You are welcome. Looks like a Waco here. High cell cloud there, producing some pretty good sized hail. That would be upwards of 1 inch possibly. This will move in towards the Lewisburg area. But as y'all can see, this isn't a straight line. So it's hard to clear counties because you have this boundary here. It wobbles. So this isn't, perfect. If this was a straight line, it'd be a lot easier. But as you get storms past here, you still have this lift because this line hasn't pushed southeast much. So all these storms are pushing this direction without the direction of moving southeast. So the quicker it can move southeast, the quicker it gets out of here. And it's moving slow and it's dumping a lot of water, so lots of flooding. Severe storms, right now it says it's going to last for, it says 12 minutes, but I'm pretty sure it's going to last longer than that. I'd say in about another, I don't know, about 15 minutes or so. Thank you all. Thank you for the stars. Appreciate all that.
New information. This severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
Giles Murray. Yeah, they're just extending that. Wayne County looks like the majority is moving to your south. I know it's loud. Lawrence County, you're going to get some of this. Loretto, you're going to get some of this. Right now, it's if they do extend this severe thunderstorm warning, it's got 60 mile per hour winds and 3/4 inch hail. But I do greatly appreciate everyone joining and watching me do all this for the last 3 days. I basically took residence in my basement here. So tomorrow I'll finally get to come out. All right. Hohenwald is looking okay. I'm ready to see this energy push out. Right now it's pushing south of Lewis County, so hopefully Lewis County will be okay. I believe they will be. If you have any questions, just feel free to chat it up. I'm going to watch this right here probably until this storm system pushes out of here. Oh yeah, very, very loud in Waynesboro right now. Lots of heavy rain, lightning. Yeah, there's nothing severe for Hornwall. I appreciate it. I appreciate everything. It has been very insane. But the thing I'm worried about is I don't think many people take this flooding seriously. I mean, I know you're in the clear for storms, but if you live close to a creek that can get out of hand, I just think we're going to get some major flooding out of this because we have tons of rain still coming. That's probably my biggest concern tonight. You're good in Flatwoods. Scotts Hill, yes, I believe you are. I thank y'all for having me for the past 3 days. I appreciate y'all hanging out with me. Lawrenceburg, no, you're not good just yet. You do have another storm system fixing to push east into your area, coming out of Wayne County. Hopefully this does not become severe warned. God is good. God is good all the time. Clarksville, you are good. Megan, you're good. You're just going to get rain for the rest of the night. Centerville, yes. Not far from 25,000. I know. I think I should be there hopefully in the morning when everything updates. That's a pretty good accomplishment. I appreciate all y'all helping me get the word out. New prospect. Linden's okay. All right, I appreciate all the shares, all the donations, everything y'all have done for my weather page. Exactly, but hey, when storms happen in Perry and surrounding counties, I will be here for each and every one of you. Dixon, you're good. You're good. Florence is under the gun right now. Tornado warning heading towards Florence right now. It has been observed. I guess a chaser has been watching it. Confirmed tornado was located near Cherokee or 10 miles west of Tuscumbia, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. This is observed from a watcher. Thank you, Miss Glenda. It's been good talking with you this week. Lewisburg, you're still under the gun. You're not in the clear yet. I don't know where Railroad Bed Road is. Thank you, Emma. Appreciate you and Jay. You missed up down Lewisburg a few minutes ago. Lewisburg has a severe thunderstorm warning coming towards their area. 60 mile per hour gusts. 1 inch hail. moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. This is coming from Colioca, Olivet, and Waco, pushing east towards Lawrenceburg. So this will be on you pretty soon. You could possibly see some hail within this. You're welcome. I try to answer everybody's questions also. I like to be personal with everybody. I know growing up, all we had was Nashville, and they would focus on Nashville. So I started tracking storms West Tennessee, Northern Mississippi, and I give everybody a heads up, and now I'm able to stream it. So this has actually been very good. Summertown. I don't know, brother. It ain't picking it up here. But Summertown, I mean, you're still you're north of all this energy right now, but I'd wait a few more minutes. I'd let this pass for sure. Once this bit of energy passes right here, I'll feel better about these areas. Thank you. Not Hickman County. Wait a minute. Collinwood Railroad Bed Road. Collinwood. I don't know. Sugar Hill. I have no. Sugar Hill's in Linden. Okay, Linden, Perry County, you're good. What time in Lewisburg? Any minute now. It's knocking on your door. Probably in the next 5 minutes, you're going to be getting some high winds and heavy rain. Go Duke. Yep. It's a 5-point game right now with 3 minutes and 45 seconds left, so it's getting tight. Is Napier, Railroad Bed is Napier, Meadow Ford, area Hornwall. See, this is why I'm not clearing most of y'all out down here in the south. This tornado warning here is pushing northeast. So Loretto, get ready. Nashville National Weather Service has not picked this up yet, but if they did, it would look kind of like this. So Loretto, you are included in this. So if you're in Loretto, southern Lawrence County, I would probably be close to a safe place right now. So between Summertown and Hohenwald, I would say you're probably good. I just want these storms right here to push east.
A new severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
Quarter-size hail, 60-mile-per-hour gusts coming towards Lewisburg. The ones in Lewisburg, Chapel Hill, Cornersville. You have a severe thunderstorm warning coming towards you, and this will end up going to Shelbyville. Sheila, good to hear from you. We're good. We're good in Perry County at the moment. We should be good for the rest of the night. Saltillo is good. Right now, watching the energy come out of Wayne County into Lawrence County. We have a tornado warning south of Lawrence County. This is observed, and it's moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. This has been observed. A confirmed tornado was located over Sheffield, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Okay, Lawrenceburg, yes. Or Lewisburg, yes, you're getting a severe thunderstorm warning right now. Lawrence County, you're still under the gun also. This will push into Pulaski. I'm starting to see more of a shift here of this boundary. Boundary is located right here on this blue line, so storms will fire along this blue line as this moves southeast. So tornado wise, I still believe I believe you're okay, Lewis County. Once this passes right here and gets out of here, this should clear pretty much everybody in my viewing area. Waynesboro, I would say yes. Lewis County, I think you're good now. You're still going to have storms and a lot of rain overnight. So if you hear thunder, lightning, the wind picks up, it's going to happen. We still have a night full of flooding. Columbia, you're still you're getting better. You're getting better with every run here. This line is shifting southeast more. Hey, I did hydrate before you mentioned that. It's so crazy as I'm going live, I don't realize that 2.5 hours has already passed. Yes, I do believe Perry County is in the clear for tonight. You're welcome. Waynesboro is okay. I would, I don't want to say Wayne County just yet. Muscle shows tornado warning. Florence pushing northeast. If there haven't, there will be reports of flooding. That's for sure. Thank you, Justin. I appreciate that. What was it say? Can't you say? Say we go 12 hours. I don't know what that means. Perry County, yes. Tornado warnings are to our south, but they are pushing east-northeast. This looks to be the new area of concern. As this boundary is slowly pushing out of here. This isn't your normal front. Thank you, Jill. I appreciate that. I appreciate that. Lewisburg, you're still okay at the moment. You do have some storms coming through there, but nothing tornadic. This is the Lewisburg camera. I see some pretty good rain and winds blowing there. Not much lightning. There is some lightning, but not much. This is Lewisburg, Tennessee. Go up here in Chapel Hill, check it out. Looks mostly like heavy rain and some wind there. Oh yeah, I wish I could cover all of US. I'm no Ryan Hall though. Thank you, Anita. Where are you from, Anita? Where are you viewing from? Yes, Waynesboro is good. Tornado in Florence, correct. There is a tornado warning here in Florence. As I don't see much of a tight rotation at the moment. It looks a bit unorganized, but it actually is pushing more east and north. Loretto, the storm is over you now. This is not a severe thunderstorm warning for you though. So hopefully you can split the warnings. Loretto, I would give it a few more minutes. It's about to get loud where you're at. I don't anticipate this tornado warning coming north. Right now it is to your south in Florence. But I would wait probably 20 to 30 minutes just to make sure. Yeah, Lawrenceburg's loud. Lawrenceburg could actually, because this boundary here is warped a bit. This little notch here, as it goes down, Lawrenceburg could actually get this storm and another one pushing up through Lawrenceburg before it finishes out. Appreciate it, Beth. I greatly appreciate it. Yeah, I'll always be here for my people in my counties. Thunder from Flatwoods, you're probably hearing it from anywhere. Right now there's lightning. I wish I could do this, but all in this green, you're still gonna see lightning, and you're still gonna hear thunder, and you're still gonna hear rain. It's just the atmosphere stabilizing. Perry County is clear. I guess I need to put that post out, don't I? Golly, I forget. Juggle between everything. I still got you up on chat, folks, so you're good. Yes, Slough should be good. Summertown. I would give it about 30 more minutes just to make sure. But most of that energy is focused on the boundary here to your south. I don't want to say yes and you go to bed and something spin up. Lawrence, okay now. Lawrence is about to, Lawrenceburg is about to have another storm come through there. I'm not going to say Lawrence County is clear, as this tornado could lift and clip the southern, southeastern edge of Lawrence County. Yeah, we're going to get a lot of rain. Main threat is flooding for sure. It's going to keep raining until the early morning hours. All right, check. National Weather Service in Memphis has cleared the West Tennessee, all West Tennessee counties. So Savannah, you're good. Hardin County, you're good. Oh, y'all want just to see an image of the light yellow is the tornado watch box. Here's your severe thunderstorm warning, and here's your tornado warning. So once they drop these two, I think Lewis is okay, and Wayne's okay at the moment. Perry, yeah, you're clear. I've got to post it. Sorry. I have been known to post that, and karma just worked against me, and a severe thunderstorm was added in the area that I said it was clear. Well, that don't work right. Get that off here. But according to the HRRR, this is earlier. Here we are about right now. All this energy pushes out, and we have rain until about 5 to 7 in the morning, with sprinkles and cloudy weather and showers and whatnot throughout the day tomorrow. So it doesn't look like a fun day tomorrow, just cloudy and scattered showers. All right, you're freaking out in Loretto. Don't freak out. Just be prepared. Be prepared. You have a storm coming over you right now. The main area of rotation is to your south. Laura Abels, where are you at? Please tell me. Gibbs, pass. I haven't slept in a week. I don't know where you're at. Lawrence County, right now the tornado warning is to your south. You're not in the clear yet. No. White Bluff is okay. Yeah, YouTube is the better video option. Sewanee. Lewisburg, right now you are under a severe thunderstorm warning. Right now, probably just mostly heavy rain. The high winds have probably passed. Let's see your wind speeds right now. Looks like it's sustained around 8 to 10 miles per hour. Lots of rain, lots of rain. You're in Lawrence County. What part of Lawrence County? Right now, the southern part of Lawrence County is going to get it worse than the northern part of Lawrence County. But this tornado warned storm should stay, hopefully, to your south. Not seeing any updates on the National Weather Service chat. Right now, I would say you're okay at the moment. We'll see if they issue anything. Looks like they're going to cancel the severe thunderstorm warning for Giles, Murray, and Williamson. But there's some more coming towards Giles. Right now, I am selecting multiple radars just so I can get.
New information.
We're in the
This
hole
severe
here. We
thunderstorm
need a
warning has
radar
been
right
updated.
here. So as the storm shifts more east, I will select the Nashville or I will select the Northern Alabama one. I just go back and forth, whichever one I can see better. Yeah, Loboville's good. Go to bed, bruh. West Laurens and Sirens have already went off in town. Yeah, there's a tornado warning to your south, so they're probably going ahead and give everybody a heads up. No way. Do you not see my comments? Jonathan Wanser. Let me scroll up. I'm sorry. Lewis County. Yeah, you're good. Lewis County's good. I'm sorry. Comments come down here so quick, I can't see anybody. Centerville. Yeah, you're good. Completely sorry if I miss your comments. Centerville, yes. Hickman County is good. I just got word a levee in Kenton, Kentucky. No, a levee in Kenton, Tennessee has broke. Evacuations are taking place. So this is a lot of rain, folks. Bellevue. I would say you are good. Fairview, yes. Relax, enjoy the rain, but not so much because it's going to be flooding. Oh me, Duke's down 1, 20 seconds to go. Appreciate it, y'all. Appreciate it. Had an EF5 come through years back. I hate that. Lewisburg is loud, yes. Loud and heavy rain coming down. Here is Lewisburg currently. Guessing a levee would be a dam. So that levee broke and it's rushing water towards homes in Kenton, Tennessee. That is just what I heard. Linden is good. Yeah, there's going to be a lot more rain coming tonight too, so this isn't a good situation at all. Okay.
New information. This
Is
flash
that
flood warning
northwestern
has been updated.
Florida? Right now you're good. Mary Levins from northwestern Florida. You're good for the moment, Miss Mary Levins. Tornado on the ground in Florence, head towards Killen. This has been observed. This tornado will be near Killen around 10:50 p.m. Lexington, 10:55. That is not Lexington, Tennessee. This is Lexington, Alabama. This is pushing northeast at 45 miles per hour. So this could come through. Horrible, horrible, horrible. 5 points south of Loretto. So there you have it. 5 points, Appleton. It's pushing northeast. This is Lawrence County. Around 2-ish, it's just going to be mostly just rain. Unionville. I forgot where Unionville was. There's Unionville. Yeah. I do see some hail pockets. This is just a severe thunderstorm warning. 60 mile per hour gusts, 3/4 inch hail. This is not tornado warned. Yes, I would say Wayne and Lewis are good. Yeah, I'll stay on here. I'll stay on here I will stay on here as long as this tornado warning storm pushes through here. Through Lawrence County. Northern Lawrence County, you're okay. This is mostly the southern part of Lawrence County. Bibiana, where are you from again? I have not heard of any damage reports. All right, sorry, Laura. So this has been observed. This is a observed tornado here, located over Killen, moving near Florence at 45 miles per hour. Actually, that's actually out. It's coming towards Lexington. That has been updated. Around Lexington at 10:55. So here shortly, it will be close to Lexington. This is Alabama, not Tennessee. Waiting on the go-ahead here. See if they're going to extend this tornado warning for Giles County. Loretto, I would say you're good. Just hold still. This will pass to your south. Oh yeah, there's gonna be storms. There's gonna be lingering storms all night. The heaviest should be pushing out of here though. Yep. Want to see what they do. Seeing power flashes from our minor hill skycam looking southwest into the approaching Lauderdale cell. So they very well could extend this tornado warning pushing up through Giles County. No tornadoes tonight in Lobelville. But plenty of rain. Plenty of rain and flooding. There will be flooding. Are we good in southern Lawrenceburg? I would wait until this passes first. I would definitely wait until this storm system passes right here. It's moving northeast at 45 miles per hour, so it'll take it a little bit. Right now it is south of Loretto, pushing through 5 points in Appleton. Waiting to see if they're typing it out right now, I believe. Hold tight. Okay. They're not quite ready to pull the trigger on extending this just yet. But it's bowing out, and I'm pretty sure it's probably pushing about 65, 70 mile per hour winds with this. Appreciate it. I appreciate it. Wayne County, you are good for now. Yes. You are good for now. Checking the chat. Sorry. Yes, we're going to get rain all night. Thanks, Nancy. Appreciate you. Chapel Hill. Yeah, you're not out of the woods just yet. But I would suspect this storm system pushing to your south, so you're going to get another wave or two of some pretty good storms, though. I got so much on my Facebook, it's crashing. I can't load anything on my Facebook. Decaturville, Tennessee, are we good for bed? Yes, you're good. Leoma, not yet. Why can't I do that? Yeah, I would advise investing in a weather radio. Lowe's has them. If you're in Perry County, Ace Hardware has them. But most of the Lowe's I've been to do carry the weather radios. Columbia, you're okay right now. You're going to get another little storm here in a second. Yeah, I can only go 8 hours on Facebook. Florence is looking okay right now. They have canceled most of the severe storms south of Florence. Hopefully all this energy right here stays free of severe threats as this boundary slowly pushes off to the southeast. It's just creeping along. This is a stalled front. This is not the same as if we had a cold front come through. I haven't seen one at Walmart before. I have looked though. Which Walmart, Rhonda? Rutherford County, Murfreesboro. Yeah, the line's pushing through there. Once this passes, you should be okay, but you'll probably still hear some loud storms throughout the night. Looks like the northern Huntsville National Weather Service has extended the tornado warning to their northern county, but maybe trying to put pressure on Nashville to extend theirs. So if this was the case, it looks something like this. Hohenwald, you're good. Lewis County, you're good. Yeah, most of everybody in the whole state is going to see lightning and heavy rain and wind most of the night. Cannot believe Duke lost. Hurts my soul, hurts my bracket. Looks like possibly 5 Points has some rotation, but I don't think there's anything on the ground. Hornwall Walmart. I'll have to check that out. I usually buy out all the weather radios and do giveaways. Had no idea. Drop tornado watch from Marshall early? Maybe. This boundary's got to scoot out of here faster than what it's doing, that's for sure. Jade, hope you're okay. Good to hear from you too. I'm usually signed off by now since all my counties are good, but I'm still going to track this one until it at least enters in Giles County. Just going to see what they do with this one. Yeah, everybody, go get your weather radio. They're lifesavers, especially when you like to sleep through storms. But you would think by now, with cell phones, they would have like a weather radio on your cell phone where you could select the locations you would want, and your phone would go off no matter if you had it on Do Not Disturb or not. I think that's a money maker if nobody's done that yet. Wayne, yes, you're still going to hear storms. You're still going to get a lot of rain, but you should be clear by now. Just a lot of flooding. People, it's going to flood. It's going to flood. It's going to flood. The rivers are going to get high from this. Creeks, streams, everything. Yeah, I have a NOAA weather radio also. Minor Hill into Good Springs area. Cody, I have no idea where that's at. I'm sorry. Wayne is clear. Yes, I need to update that. My bad. Well, I know that, but I'm talking about like whenever your phone is silenced or you have it on vibrate, it goes off. Like no matter what, it's loud and it screams at you. I know you can set all this, but yeah, Lewis County, you're good. Headed to Minor Hill at 109. Rogersville around 11:05, which is now Admore around 11:35. Tornado warning for northern Alabama here. Okay. Brianna, it depends on where you're at. In Lewis County, yes, you're good. You will still hear lightning, you will have heavy rain, you will have wind, but the severity is gone. I thought I did add that. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, you are good. You are good. I do believe possibly National Weather Service may lift this into southern Giles County. I'm not sure. Customers without power near the 5 Points, Appleton, and Bonnertown. That'd be right here. So there is a power outage here in this area. As you see the bow coming through there, probably could have had about a 70-mile-per-hour wind gust swing through there, knocking some trees down. And here we go. Tornado warning issued for the 5 Points, Appleton, Malone, Minor Hill, Oak Grove. If you are in this red polygon, you need to seek shelter because there is damage with this line of storms. This will be until 11:45. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 8 miles northeast of Lexington, Alabama, or 15 miles south of Lawrenceburg, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Thank you, Tim. I appreciate it. All right. So this storm is pushing into southern Giles County right now. So if you're in Pulaski, south part of Pulaski or south part of Giles County, you need to be in a safe place right now. Which I don't know how many people I have viewing me right now that is in this area. Long track one. Yeah, this has been going along, but this boundary is just hovering around, not moving out anytime soon. Over the time I went live, it may have moved 100 miles. Maybe. But I believe this one has exited the last part of the area that I cover. If you're just now joining me, I cover, well, this area right here. Sometimes I will come on over here into Lawrence County because I'll have some people hanging on there. 5 Points is without power at the moment. I don't see any damage reports yet, but I'm sure some trees are down. Spotter near Couplet. Where's Couplet at? Don't know where Couplet is. Just high wind report in Couplet. But Loretto, you're good. If anybody's in here from Loretto, oh, there you are, Hazel. Yeah. Loretto, it has passed you now. You're still going to get rain, storms, but the severity looks to have been looks to be past you now. I appreciate y'all. If y'all haven't followed my page, follow it. Go ahead and follow it. I'm nearing 25,000. Summertown good? Yes. You're kind of on that kinky line there, so it's taking a little while to get out of your area. Yeah, it's still going to be a loud night for most folks, but the severity should be getting out of here. But Lawrence County, this is pushing out. Boundary is still slow as all get out. Yes, this is in far southeastern part of Lawrenceburg is in a tornado warning right now. But if you're in 5 points, this storm is to your east now. Bonnertown to your east. Upper Moccasin to your east. It's about to come into Minor Hill. And the rest of the southern part of Giles County. You are very, very, very welcome. But the rest of you, if you're in Giles County, preferably along this line here in this red, you need to be in a safe place until this passes. And once this passes, I believe your severe threat will be over with also. As most of this storm system is pushing off to the southeast, giving us some relief. But anyway, I'm fixing to sign off. I appreciate every one of you joining me through this journey of 3 days. And hopefully you will not have to see my face again for a long time. Spring Hill. Yes, you're okay right now. Storms are still passing to your south. Give it about 20-25 minutes. Let it get on out of here. But anyway, I'm getting out of here. Y'all have a great night.